For our third and final step in evaluating expressions, what I'm going to do now is solve the expression. Now we've already learned how to identify all the terms, how to write it as a sum. So we're going to put everything together now and actually solve it. So the first step, and why I have an equal sign next to it, is because I want to rewrite this as a sum, because I have to be able to do that first in order to solve it. So we're starting off with addition, so that's good. I'm just going to rewrite that. 7c plus 9, it's going to stay the same. They want us to subtract 3c from it, so let's change that and add the opposite. So I'm going to add negative 3c. And now from this point I can begin to solve it. So now what I want to do is rewrite this to combine like terms. So I have a 7c here and a negative 3c here. They look alike because they both have the variable c, so I want to put them together. So the way I'm going to do this is to move my 9 to the beginning of the problem. So I'm going to rewrite it one more time now, and it'll become 9 plus, because remember we rewrote this as a sum, so everything's going to be added together, and it's going to be added to 7c plus our negative 3c. Now I'm going to have to rewrite this again because I want to use the order of operations to solve this. So I'll put my equal sign down again to rewrite it another time. 9 plus stays the same. And I actually want to do a problem here, so I'm going to group my like terms. So I'm going to use what we call bracket. It's almost like the parentheses, but it's squared off. It's going to be 7. I'm going to make that plus negative 3. And before you ask, where did the c go? Took the c out, and I'm going to put it here because it's really the same as saying c times both of these numbers, and we remember that from the distributive property. So now I'm going to write this out one more time, and this is finally going to have my answer. The 9 plus, we're going to leave it alone. It's been the constant term throughout the whole equation, constant because it hasn't changed. And now if I go back and do this problem inside the brackets, I have 7 plus negative 3. I work that out. That answers a positive 4. And I'm going to multiply that 4 by the variable c. So all I have to do is bring it down. And I end up with 9 plus 4c, which we can also say is 9 plus 4 times c. We don't have a value of c, so that means this expression is done.